Welcome to the demo video of Mockup Studio Pro. Mockup Studio Pro is the latest series from LaVideo, and here's how to use it. LaVideo Mockup Studio Pro has two versions, a Blender and PowerPoint. So, why are there both a Blender version and a PowerPoint version? Blender is used to change the screen display on the 3D mockup, and the results from exporting Blender will later be imported into PowerPoint. We have created a special add-on for Blender to make it easier to use. In the Blender Mockup template, you can click here to find the Mockup Studio tab. This add-on contains several features, such as Replace Screen, Render Option, Render Engine Option, Camera Option, Shortcut Lighting, and HDRI Replace Screen. The Replace Screen feature is used to change the screen of 3D objects. Next, there is the Render option, where you can choose to export as GLB, either with or without animation, and set the background to be transparent or not. You can also render MP4 if you want to create animated GIFs, as well as export the current frame as PNG. In the Render option, you can also choose the engine, either Eevee or Cycles. For better quality, use Cycles, but please note that your laptop or device must be powerful enough. If you are using a mid or low-end device, it is better to use Eevee. There are also preset views, such as Standard and Filmic, which allow you to change the appearance. For exposure, you can adjust it over here. In addition, there is a camera option that allows you to use a mobile phone and edit with more than one asset, as well as using a blank big project. You can also add a camera and set the aspect ratio preset here. Resolution affects the rendering output. For example, 100% is the maximum result, but if it's just for preview, you can set it to 50% or 30% as needed. There is also focal length, which is the camera's field of view. To make the view distance further, you can use this. You can adjust this distance by clicking and holding the left mouse button, then dragging the mouse left and right. There are Blender shortcuts that make it easier for you without having to memorize many shortcuts. There is also View shortcut here. For example, you can move objects by clicking and grabbing. You can try this shortcut. You can also choose various view shortcuts like front, back, left, right, bottom, and top. Here is the camera view. If you want to add lighting, we have also provided this feature in the add-on. You can adjust the height and apply lighting as needed. For example, if the lighting is too close to the object, you can move it using the available shortcut. Select GZ and move it like this. You can adjust it as needed. Since there was already lighting that was too bright, you can adjust it according to your needs. For example, after selecting your desired option, click Apply to see the result. If necessary, Fine-tune the lighting until it fits, including adjusting the height according to your requirements. Here is the power for the lamp, and you can also change its color. Next, there is HDRI, which provides a realistic environment for more natural lighting. You can adjust the strength and rotate to see the lighting from different angles like this. After that, let's try changing the screen from the monitor. You just need to click, select Replace Screen, then enter Edit Mode and choose Select to pick the object you want to change. Point to the file you have prepared and click Replace Material. Next, we will also change the screen on the mobile phone. Activate Replace Screen, select Change Picture, then Edit Mode, click Select, and choose Replace Material. You just need to find the file you want to use and perform the material replacement. You can also replace other screens too. Then, we will change the T-shirt in the same way by clicking and selecting Replace Material. We can also change the product box by clicking, selecting Replace Screen, and pointing to the desired texture. After editing is complete, you just need to export the results. Select the Render option menu, then choose the object you want to export, either as GLB or MP4. For example, we will export as GLB, click Export, name it, and select Export. Finally, we will try the preview in PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint, select the Insert menu, then 3D Model, this device, and choose the file you have exported. The result is complete with scene animations and available PowerPoint animation templates, so you can adjust them quickly and easily.